Nathan K3ha train horns down there. The 200 psi max air compressor on here. I'm using to pump up the air tank with 6-gallon air tank right here. And I got a homemade brake line operated ball valve right down there. You can see I got the spring attached to it right here that pulls it back shut. And drilled a hole through the side of the screw to stick the brake line wire through, and then I use a nut to tighten it on there with 2 washers. And this is a structure right here to hold up the brake line in place right here. I can also take it off too right here and slide it off right there, and then I unscrew the little screw right there, and that ball valve cap pops right off, and then I just take this part off right here and disconnect these wires right here, and then I can disconnect this, see? So I can take off the trailer right here. See that? Very portable. Take it right off, and then when I take that brake line off and all, I just kind of like fold it over right here, and I'll just like tape it right here or something. But other than that, yeah, it works really good. I get a hell of a lot of attention. Too much. That's why I'm just gonna make this video and just take it apart and build other things. Yep. And this is very unique because I got a bell on it, homemade out of a fire extinguisher. I did have something underneath here, as you can see. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little rod in there that hits inside, goes bang, 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 bang. But it's just, it got too complicated, and it wasn't working as good as I thought. So I just do it the old-fashioned way with the freaking hammer. You know, but yeah, it gives it the sound. And I tried to do 3 things at once. It was kind of hard trying to operate the throttle and do the bell and the horn all at once, and shifting gears right here, the suicide shifter, and using the clutch. It's just, yeah, it's kind of too much at once, but I get the hang of it after a while. Get used to it. And I got a gauge right here, air pressure gauge right here to show me the pressure. And then here's my switch for the compressor. Yep. So charges it up, and then I don't have a pressure switch that turns it off. I don't have it rated at 150. I only have one that's rated 90 psi. Pressure switch cut off. Well, it's a cut-off pressure switch or whatever it is. I just do it the manual way with a switch. Look at the pressure right here, and then cut it off right right there. And there's my horn activator right here. It works pretty good. It's low on air. You can see it's like, geez, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 psi. You can see how much it drops. And that was just that much pressure right there. But when it's at 150, it'll drop. Like each blow, each honk I do, it'll jump down to here. It's because it got more pressure. But yeah, it's pretty good for 25 psi. But yeah, and good old trailer. Now I don't have all that weight attached to my bike. I just have it all on a trailer, and it's a dolly, by the way. Those are dolly wheels. And it's a dolly assembly right here. I just cut it off right here. Before it was like this long, say long right there, and I just cut it off, and then I welded a support right here, and then just a few things on there. Yeah, car battery. I just charge it up every night. Otherwise, I'd put a generator right here attached to the wheel that can help charge the battery as I drive. But, yep, just another one of my train videos.